Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to clear the cache in Google Chrome. So let's first open up Google Chrome and press these three little dots in the top right hand corner, then come all the way to the bottom to Settings. Once we're in the Settings, you want to find Privacy and Security on the left hand side of the menu. If you don't see it, you can search out for it here at the very top. Once Privacy and Security is up, you want to find Clear Browser Data and tap into that. Now this will bring up Clear Browser Data, and the first option is to select your time range, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. And then you can select the different options here, what you want to clear. You do have an advanced section where you have some more settings to choose from, like passwords and autofill, but for most people, the basic will suffice. And then you just want to select Clear Data, and this will clear the data from Google Chrome. So that's how to clear the cache in Google Chrome. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.